and we put 100,000 into an account.
Yeah.
And
we're going to see how fast we can
grow
turn 100k into £1 million.
Yes.
So
well, hopefully you can learn a lot from us.
I'm sure I will. I'm sure I have already.
Hi guys, welcome to another video from me, Stephen Hamilton, the founder of the Property Circle. I'm joined today by Sam Bailey, who is my partner in the 100k to 1 million challenge. Reason we've done this video is just to give you guys an introduction into who Sam Bailey is, why he is my partner in this challenge, and how it came about. So, hey Sam, do you want to tell people about you and
how it all came about?
How it all came about would be great.
So yeah, Sam Bailey. I guess our kind of a relationship stemmed purely from Instagram, wasn't it?
Yes.
We'd spoken a few times on Instagram. I almost bought a house. We spoke about the house in Blackpool.
I think you sent me a breakdown of it, didn't you?
That was
me
it.
to have a quick look at it.
Yeah, that was it. So you had some properties up in Blackpool already, and you said, "Let me run the numbers for you." Turned out not to be such a great deal, and I didn't end up going for it. And then I literally messaged you one day saying it would be great if you did a video on a challenge of 100k to 1 million.
Well, I was at the gym.
Yeah.
I was
at the gym.
Yeah, I wasn't at the gym. I was lying on one of the lounges by the pool, and you sent me the message, and it was 100k to 1 million. I'd love to have a look and see how to do it and stuff like that. And then I literally messaged you back saying, "Should we do it? Well, let's have a go."
Yeah, that was it. And I was like, with me kind of thing, and you were like, "Yeah, let's do it."
Yeah. So we both put £50,000 each into a new limited company that we set up. So it's us on our side, the Property Circle, me, Isabella and Leon. And then obviously you on your side with your 50,000, and we put 100,000 into an account. And
we're going to see how fast we can
grow
turn 100k into £1 million.
Yes.
That's the plan.
So yeah, but obviously when you watch the first episode of the 100k to 1 million, you will see a breakdown of the rules, what we've got to do, how it's going to work.
Yeah, because I wanted to understand how hard it would be. So as kind of a beginner investor, I would say I've got a couple of properties. My residential, I've got my own flip that I'm doing in Manchester. I've got an apartment in Sutton Coldfield which I rent out as well.
Are you selling that at the moment? Which one are you selling?
So I'm actually selling. So I'm selling my main residence. So I obviously live in London now, and then I'm also selling my apartment. And then I'm just going to try and take all the cash out of that and kind of go into flips, the BRR strategies. I think after kind of doing the education program, I guess the avenues I want to definitely go down now is flip and I guess BRRs. So I'm trying to build up a pot of cash. And then I can do BRRs, I think.
Well, you are a member of the Property Circle, aren't you? You did come on the education program as well.
I did the main education program. I did that, probably six weeks ago now?
About
6 weeks ago?
6 to 8 weeks ago.
So I've done that, been to the networking events as well, which were really good. Met all the people from the team, I guess. And, well, I guess I'm in here now with you guys and your team. And, we started to build a good relationship and things are going well.
Well, hopefully you can learn a lot from us.
I'm sure I will. I'm sure I have already.
Well, that's good. And showing how to get to £1 million, assets or cash, again, not going to go into detail. Watch the episode, you'll understand how we're going to do it. But it's going to be a good journey.
It is.
It's going to be a lot of highs and lows.
A lot, I'm sure.
More highs than lows.
I hope so.
Yeah, more highs than lows.
I hope so.
Smiles and cries. And you're probably going to see me with a hard hat on. You never know, and definitely with a hard hat on somewhere.
We said this, we might even get involved and do a bit of the work ourselves as well.
Yeah, because we're going to have to save money somewhere.
Well, that's it, and people will understand once we tell them the rules on how we're doing it.
Yeah.
Because that was the whole point, wasn't it, that we said it was, I guess, how can someone like me, just kind of an everyday sort of person, how can they get into property and really accelerate it without any, I guess, kind of fluff. It was so people can effectively try and just copy what we're doing.
Well, hopefully from the whole series, we've put a time scale on it. You guys at home are going to be watching it. Hopefully you take inspiration from it and just replicate what we're doing.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's no magic formula or secret to success. It's hard work, the network of people you're around, and education. Education is key. I wouldn't be where I am today without education. I learned from all the right people. So hopefully now we can pass a bit of that on to people watching at home.
It's like the raising finance, even the stuff we've been doing so far, and it's the different ways of attacking the challenge. Not just you've got to wait for one house to be done, get your money. There's ways of going about things that can accelerate the journey. So making sure it's as seamless as possible.
Yeah, seamless is very important. Yeah. But like you said, there's a lot to learn, and hopefully you guys tune into the challenge videos and you gain a lot of knowledge from them and inspiration. We're only trying to help people. We want to inspire people and dream big. £1 million might seem like to some people, wow, that's not attainable. It's attainable to every single person. You've just got to have the right people around you and just have a go. Just go for it. Don't sit home and think about it. Just have a go if you can. And we're here to help. So yeah, so happy to get started.
Yeah, I can't wait. Really can't wait.
Yeah, guys, so that was just a quick intro into who Sam Bailey is, why you are doing this challenge with me, how it came about. If you have any questions, leave them below. We'll start answering them. If you have any questions as well for Sam, your Instagram will be tagged in this video in the description. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.